One of the most asked questions on my lives and in my comment section is, how do I make money fast and free? Normally, my videos focus on long-term strategies that will help you build a sustainable income semi-passively. But this time, this video is actually going to be a little bit different. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can make up to $2,500 in a single day fast and free. And while this is something that you can do and actually something that I've done, this is going to take effort. This is not for the lazy, and this isn't something that is actually easy. It will work, and you can make $2,500 or more, but this is going to take some effort. And the fourth method that I mentioned in this video will work the fastest, and it will actually pay the most. But with each of these methods, you can make at least $100 or more per day. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Today, I'm going to reveal 4 proven methods that you can make money online fast and 100% for free. In addition to revealing the 4 methods, I'm going to give you the step-by-step process for each. As I've mentioned, I personally made at least $100 with each of the 4 methods that I'm going to reveal to you today. With these methods, I've made money in as short as just 5 hours. And I know that if I did it, I know that you can do it too. So let's go ahead and get into method number 1. With this first method, I made $130 in just 12 hours. When I made my first $130, I was brand new to this method, and to be honest, I didn't quite know what I was doing, and somehow it just worked. One day, while I was sitting at a job that I hated, I decided to watch different YouTube videos to learn how I could make money online. After watching a few of these videos and feeling a little confused and frustrated, I stumbled across a YouTuber that now has over 500,000 subscribers on YouTube. In the video that I eventually used to make $130, he recommended that I partnered with Bluehost and go answer questions on a very popular question and answer site. Here's a quick summary of the video that I followed to the letter. Step number 1 was to join the Bluehost affiliate program. Step number 2 was to go over to a question and answer site called Quora and answer at least 4 questions per day. He specifically suggested that I answer questions related to Bluehost and web hosting in general. Step number 3 is answer questions and then put your affiliate link to Bluehost. After watching the video, I followed the 4 steps and answered somewhere between 4 and 5 questions. A few hours later, I received 2 emails from Quora stating that my answers were removed because they violated the terms of service. One of the rules of Quora is that you cannot post affiliate links in your answers. It's frowned upon. However, when I got home from work, I checked my email and received 2 emails from Bluehost and the Bluehost affiliate program. The emails stated that someone had clicked on my affiliate link and purchased web hosting packages. Each affiliate link and purchase meant that I earned $65 in commissions. And just like that, I earned my first $130 with Bluehost and affiliate marketing. Now, do not do this method. Your answers will be deleted and blocked, and you actually run the risk of being kicked off of the Bluehost affiliate program because these companies want to partner with affiliates that are actually going to follow the rules. Here's what you could do instead. Step number 1, partner as an affiliate with a company that you enjoy. If you enjoy talking about fishing, go out and find companies that you can partner with as an affiliate that have fishing products. Once you are accepted to an affiliate program, write a list-style blog post related to the affiliate program you just joined. For example, you could write the 5 best fishing lures under $200. Inside of the blog post, you are going to place your affiliate links that you just got from the company that you partnered with. I recommend adding 1 affiliate link for every 3 or 4 paragraphs that you write. You can even use AI to help you write these blog posts even quicker. Now you might be wondering, how can I actually do this for free? You could use Google Sites, you can use Wix or any other platform that will allow you to post blog posts for free. Next, you are going to go answer relevant questions on websites like Quora, Reddit, or even forums related to your topic. Now, after you answer the questions, you can put a link to your blog post at the very bottom. At this point, I'm going to recommend that you answer as many questions as you can. You can even use AI to write these answers quicker. The second way that you can make money fast and free is simply by listening to people's problems, then solve them with very specific digital products. You can create digital products fast and free using the Google Suite, Canva, or even your phone. My first digital product was a 35-page blueprint that I created for free using Google Docs. I created that 35-page blueprint over the span of a weekend. It took me just 3 days to write this blueprint and sell it to people. As I mentioned, I created it for free with Google Docs and I delivered it with Google Drive. To date, this blueprint, which I created for free, is responsible for tens of thousands of dollars in direct sales and affiliate commissions. So here's what you're gonna do. If you already have a following on social media, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, anywhere, it doesn't really matter. Look at your comment section for the questions that are asked the most. You're going to see a pattern of basically the same question asked again and again and again. Make sure the questions and comments follow a common theme and that they're very specific. You can then turn those questions into a comprehensive guide, course, or simply a blueprint. Once you've created your digital product using Canva, Google Docs, or even your phone, you can then sell the product using a website called Gumroad. Gumroad allows you to sell your digital products 100% for free. They just take a percent of your sales. If you have a little bit of money, I recommend investing it into something called Gbolt Systems. With Gbolt Systems, you can sell an unlimited amount of digital products for as little as $9 per month. If you are interested in learning more about Gbolt Systems, check out the second link in the description. The final step is to let your followers know that you've created a very specific digital product answering their questions, comments, and concerns. You're simply going to create a few videos promoting your digital product, discussing the problem that it solves, the questions that it answers, and how it will help your followers. And finally, don't forget to add a link to your Gumroad account so people can go and buy and you can start making some money. The third way that you can make money is free, but it's not as fast. It's called email marketing. Email marketing is directly responsible for me making semi-passive income. Email marketing is a great way to stay top of mind in front of your fans, followers, and subscribers. Email marketing simply works like this. You're going to give something for free to your target audience that they find value in. You tell them that the only way that they can get this free thing is by clicking on this link and going to a special website where they enter in their name and their email. And just like that, you are building a mailing list. With your new mailing list, you can email them affiliate marketing offers, offers to your digital product, or offer a live paid workshop or webinar where you can collect cash up front. You can start email marketing 100% for free using software like MailerLite, HubSpot, or MailChimp. Just be careful when you're using these free softwares because free software usually has strings attached. For example, MailChimp isn't a huge fan of affiliate marketing and affiliate marketers. Again, if you have a little money to invest, I recommend that you check out Gbolt Systems Lite because you have a complete email marketing service that you can send out any types of offers starting at $9 per month. The final way that you can make money fast and free, and the way that I made $2,500 in one day, is by simply selling your services. Before I became a full-time content creator, I would build 5-page WordPress websites, sell them to small businesses, churches, and even college professors. When I first got started, I would charge $300 per client. I didn't realize it at the time, but people would fall over handing me $300 to build them a 5-page WordPress website. And as I got more confident, I started charging more and more, eventually charging $2,500 for a simple 5-page WordPress website. The website was actually for a moving company based out of Chicago, and $2,500 for a website was an actual steal. And here's how I found clients. I actually went over to my local library and got a library card. The library card was actually free. While I was there, I asked the librarian, was there a way that I could get a list of all of the businesses in Kenosha County, which is where I live? The librarian said to me, instead of a list of just the businesses in Kenosha, how about a database of every single business in the United States? She said to me, that's about 95 million businesses that I could get access to 100% for free. The librarian pointed me to this free database, which included the names of the business owners, phone numbers, emails, and even if they had a website. In addition, I could see their social media profiles. I had access to literally everything that you would want or need to start selling services. Next, I started calling businesses that had ugly websites. I decided to start local with my local county and work my way out. My sales pitch was simple. I told them that their ugly website was costing them money. They were losing money because they didn't have a good website. Once they heard my pitch and if they were interested, I would set up a time to meet with them one-on-one to let them see the service that I could offer them and pitch them in person. If they said yes during my meeting, I would collect half the money up front, which was $150 at the time, eventually being just over $1,000. And then I would tell them it would take about 2 weeks for them to see a brand new an updated website. Usually I'd finish the website in a day or two, and they would be extremely excited about the prospects of them making more money with a new and better looking website. While this method does work out fast and I could see results in as little as 5 hours, it would require me to jump on the phone, have a sales pitch, and face rejection. With this method, you will hear a lot of no's and even a few people that will cuss you out because they don't want to be bothered and they're tired of getting sales phone calls all day. But the reward is you'll make a ton of money in a short amount of time if you get good at it. So here's how you can get started. Take a look at your skills, look at the skills that people are willing to pay for, and start making phone calls. Here's a pro tip. Once you find someone that's willing to work with you, make sure that you collect at least half up front because some people will try and stiff you. Now you might be asking yourself or saying out loud, Alston, who is going to pay to put together a 5-page WordPress website? And to that answer, you'd actually be really, really surprised because small business owners are experts in their business. They're not experts in building out 5-page WordPress websites. They're not experts in copywriting or even graphic design. And so they would be more than willing to pay someone to have that done, especially if you're able to show that you have expertise in that subject. In addition, if you can talk to them about value and the money that they're potentially losing, they're going to be all ears because small business owners can't afford to be leaking any money out of the side of their business. Now that you know the 4 different ways that you can make money online fast and free, watch this video next as it is a free 5-hour masterclass on how you can monetize your social media following.